Scholars, today's April 16th, 2020, and this is our problem of the day. Please follow along. Kelly's backyard is 15 yards long. The width is 4 yards less than the length. What is the perimeter of Kelly's backyard? I'm going to read this one more time. Kelly's backyard is 15 yards long. The width is 4 yards less than the length. What is the perimeter of Kelly's backyard? Now, you are going to solve this independently, and unlike usual, I did give you answer choices because we have not covered perimeter as much. Remember though, we did talk about perimeter, and perimeter is when you add up all the sides of your shape, okay? So you're going to pause your video now and come back when you've completed your problem. Okay, go ahead and pause now. Welcome back, scholars. Okay, so once again, Kelly's backyard is 15 yards long. The width is 4 yards less than the length. What is the perimeter of Kelly's backyard? So I'm trying to find the perimeter of Kelly's backyard. I know that the backyard is 15 yards long and the width is 4 yards less than the length. So if my backyard is 15 yards long, remember, I need to know the sides of each of these areas. So it's 15 yards long, but I still need to know my width. And the width is 4 yards less than the length. Well, if it's 15 yards long, how do I determine each of these width lengths? Well, 15, it tells me, minus, I know it's 15 yards long, but the width is 4 yards less than the length. So to determine the width, I need to subtract 15 minus 4, which is 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So the width is 11 yards. So 15 yards So now that I know each of my side lengths for Kelly's backyard, to determine the perimeter, I need to add all side lengths. Unlike area, where we multiply length times width, with perimeter, you're going to add all side lengths. And I determine all my side lengths because I know both of the side lengths for the length are it's 15 yards long each side, and for the width it is 11 yards each side. But I can't add 4 numbers at once, so I'm going to add 2 at a time. 15 plus 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 15 plus 15 is 30. Now I still need to add 11 plus 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now that I've added both of those, I can now add 30 plus 22 to determine the perimeter. Zero plus 2 is 2. Three plus 2 is 5. So my perimeter is 52 yards. I determined all my side lengths and I was able to add them all. And remember, use your read, draw, write strategies and do not ever add 4 numbers at once. Good job, scholars. Now let's move on to our daily writing. Today for our daily writing prompt, please follow along. So, today, read with me. If you were forced to spend the rest of your life in a library, a museum, or a zoo, which would you choose and why? So when you're writing, choose one and be sure to tell me the why you chose it. Add lots of details. So just so you remember, zoos, libraries, and museums, I gave you a little picture, some fun pictures. So if you were forced to spend the rest of your life in one of those, which would you choose? But you need to tell me why. And I really want to read these, so please send them to your teachers because we love seeing your daily writing. All right, scholars, have a great day.